In today's high-tech and fast-paced world, precision and reliability for devices and networks is vital. Global industries require systems that meet high standards to continue to deliver world-class products and services. At HUBER+SUHNER, we've recognized this from the very beginning. We have decades of expertise in test and measurement and a product portfolio defined by precision and reliability. We innovate radio frequency and microwave technology to deliver components with minimal electrical loss and phase stability in fluctuating temperatures and adverse environments. Our SUCOFLEX 500 microwave cable assemblies are robust, reliable, and ruggedized, with operating frequencies of up to 70 GHz. With unique cable and connector design, outstanding return and insertion loss, they deliver excellent phase amplitude and stability as a vital link in RF testing and high-speed digital testing. With rotary swaged, low-loss inner conductors, SUCOFLEX 500S assemblies can withstand more than 100,000 flexures without degradation of performance and therefore have a very long life. From DC to 110 GHz, our SUCOTEST 110 microwave cable assemblies are ideal for high-density and modular test setups. Armored, flexible, and with superior return loss, SUCOTEST 110 has a rugged construction extending its service life while delivering improved system reliability, reduced equipment downtime, and precise, repeatable measurements. Our solderless multi-coax connector, MXPD 70, delivers a bandwidth of up to 70 GHz and is optimal in tight spaces. The ultra-low profile rectangle version can be easily placed under a heater and close to the chip for minimal lossy trace lengths. The MXPD 70 elevates your test capabilities with performance and reliability that is essential for high-speed digital evaluation, reference boards, test and characterization boards, and system testing. Our MXPM multi-coax portfolio supports frequencies of up to 90 GHz and delivers a pioneering testing solution. With a high-density pitch of 2.54 mm, the MXPM line guarantees a hassle-free experience with a user-friendly magnet mount connection that delivers flexibility, performance, and reliability. Our precision compression mount PCB connectors are vital for precision testing needs across frequencies up to 110 GHz. With a small form factor, they are used to mount a test interface onto a device under test PCB for immediate measurements and without delays in operational processing and uncontrollable solder joints. At HUBER+SUHNER, our support extends beyond developing connectors, cables, and cable assemblies. Our dedicated in-house team work on hybrid assemblies and multi-product configuration and solutions, delivering custom specifications with a design service that links our portfolio with third-party products. Empowering innovation with advanced test and measurement solutions for laboratories in the most demanding environments. We provide our customers with technical support from 3D files, electrical modeling data, and customized footprints tailored to meet their specific individual application and requirements. For more information about our test and measurement product portfolio and solutions, visit our website.